Nothing is more annoying than a car problem that comes and goes, right? If you are dealing with code P00B5, that is exactly what you are facing. This code stands for Radiator Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. It means the signal sent to your engine computer is unstable. Sometimes it is perfect, and other times it drops out completely. This is often harder to diagnose than a hard failure because the part might work fine while you were testing it in your driveway. Your car might act strange one minute, stalling or idling roughly, and then run perfectly fine the next. You might also notice your fuel economy dropping or see erratic temperature readings on your scanner data stream. Since this is an intermittent fault, the culprit is almost always a loose connection or damaged wiring rather than a completely dead sensor. Start by finding the sensor on your radiator or coolant line. With the engine running, carefully wiggle the wire harness leading to the sensor. If the engine stumbles or the idle changes while you are wiggling a specific section of wire, you have found your problem spot. Look closely at the connector pins. Sometimes the metal tabs inside get bent and do not make tight contact. You can try carefully bending them back for a snug fit. Also, check the ground connections for the engine harness, as a loose ground can cause signal noise. If the wiring and connectors pass the wiggle test, the sensor itself might have a glitchy internal contact that only fails when it gets hot or vibrates. In that case, replacing the sensor is a cheap insurance policy. Always remember to top off your coolant with the correct type specified in your manual after changing the sensor, as you will lose a little bit of fluid during the swap.